Festival sa Baclan, Cebu, and Batangas.
Okay, so let's start. Festivals of Aklan, Cebu, and Batangas. Let's start with Ati-Atian Festival. Ati-Atian Festival is known as the wildest of the Philippine festivals, which means make-believe atis. Yan. And ito, yung mga participants ito yung mga natives ng Kalibo Aklan. Ang tawag sa kanila ay Aita or Ati. It's a week-long festival held annually every third week of January that consists of a tribal dance, parade with drum music, costumes, and indigenous accessories to honor the Santo Niño of the Holy Child Jesus. Diba natin? Yan. So, Ati-Atian is celebrated every third Sunday of January in Caloocan. So, ang team nito, recapturing the march of the early Aitas in Aklan, performing the upbeat tune of traditional dance music. So, ang costume nila, kung sa arts, costumes, mask design is crisscrossing of linear lines, repeated curve, and streamlines, floral, and geometric designs. So, kung makita nyo, ito yung mga, yung mga sample ng Ati-Atian Festival na street dance, which the people cheer and shout Halabira and Viva Santo Niño to encourage enthusiasm and continuous dancing for the duration of the festival. Okay? Okay, so ang topic natin, Festival sa Baclan, Cebu, and Batangas. We'll be featuring the Sinulog Festival. So, let's go. Sinulog Festival muna tayo. So, ano ba ang Sinulog? It is celebrated every third Sunday of January. And ito yung mga sample niyan. So, theme is celebrating local people's transition from paganism to Catholicism. Then, ito siya. Then, costume design mask, crisscrossing linear ka. Parang ano din yung matalakay natin kanina. So, repeated curves, streamlines, floral geometric designs. So, ito. Ito yung sinasabi nila. Pit Senior kang Mama Kini, Pit Senior kang Papa Kini is the chant completing devotees offering dances sinulog in honor of the miraculous Santo Niño. So, balik tayo dun sa sa picture ng sinulog. Yan. Okay. Ang Sinulog Festival is an annual cultural and religious festival held on the third Sunday, tandaan nyo third Sunday of January. Sabihin, yung date nito mubabol. Mubabol ang date ng Sinulog. So, every third Sunday of January. So, yan ang Sinulog. Then, ang Sinulog ay in honor of the Santo Niño, commemorate the Filipinos' rejection of their former religious views. Ito yung paganism, yung waga naniniwala sa mga mga nature spirits or God or different kinds of gods in the nature, something like that. Kasi ang Pilipino talaga, bago pa magkaroon ng religious beliefs about Catholicism, meron talaga siyang pinafollow na ibang religion. Ayun nga, sasabi natin paganism. Then, so, yung former religious views, ito yung, kumbaga, pinifeature ng sinulag, yung rejection of former religious views and acceptance of Christianity. This festival is famous among local and international tourists for its grand street parade, which imitates the type of dancing done by natives of Cebu before they were baptized as Christians. So, ano to rin to, pagkaalam ko talaga, ang Cebu din ay talagang puntahan talaga mga turista. Mga nagkilalang kilala din sila dahil sa mga festivals. So, the petitioners often yell out, Pit Senor. They flock to the festival for prayer requests, Thanksgiving while dancing. Iba dito nagpapanata Kumbaga, panata nila magsayaw during festival Festival or yung street parade niyan. So, Thanksgiving while dancing, believing that Santo Niño will hear them. Different groups of dancers dressed in colorful attire, accompanied by rhythmic music, drums, percussion, trumpets, and native songs. Yun lang. Okay, so dun pa rin tayo dun sa festival sa Baclan, Cebu and Batangas, which is Sublian is coming from Batangas. So, describe muna natin yung kanilang costume. This is very different from it's very different from Sinulog and Ati-Atihan. Wherein their costumes are meron silang trousers, Filipiniana, tapos merong hats for women, then merong panyudo sa leeg no. And most striking part of the costume of the males are having castanets or bamboo castanet that it has a clicking sound while dancing. So ano nga ba ang Sublian Festival? So ang Sublian Festival is an annual celebration on the 23rd of July reflecting the Batanggenyos commitment to ano commitment and great love to their towns, patron, the Holy Cross of Bawan and Agoncillo, and the Santo Niño of Batangas City. It was originally a religious ceremony that involves praying, eating, dancing, the subli, and singing verses with strict skeletal melody. So, it was started by the city mayor Eduardo de Macua on July 23, 1988. The annual observation of the cityhood of Batangas City. The objective is to renew the practice of subli. The religious devotion translated the dance from indigenous to Batangas and subli and traditionally performed accompaniment of drums, chanting, and subli praises from patron combination of poetry, movement, and music. So ano nga bang Siblian Festival? So ang dance ritual is being done to pay homage to the Santo Niño and the Child Jesus, Batangas City, the Holy Cross of Bawan Agoncillo. The dancers made up of 2 to 8 couples. Then the male dancers shuffle in tense fashion, hit the ground by using bamboo stick, while the female dance sophisticated with finger movements. Participants come in native attire adorned by subli hats to symbolize Batanggenyo attributes and customs. Yun, ito yung kanina sinasabi do sa natin, text natin. So, this religious commitment was translated to Subli, a local dance in Batangas. Traditionally, Subli is performed with chanting and accompanied by drums. Yun nga. So, ano ba yung Subli? Subli came from the two words meaning sub-sub, bending your body forward or downward, and bali is broken. So, thus, throughout the dance, male dancers trunk forward bend position to give impression of broken bodies. At present, the Sublian Festival features street dancing, harana, singing a Filipino courtship song, indigenous Filipino games, and lupakan, sharing of nilopak, a delicacy made from cassava, sweet potato, or banana. So, yun lang para sa Sublian Festival.